Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call my Dr. Atkins chicken pot pie without any crust. Crustless chicken pot pie. It's so easy to make, and this is for the ones who's on the Dr. Atkins diet. You go to the store and you get some steamed vegetables. Now I have corn in mine, but you don't have to have corn in it. You can have the peas or whatever, the green beans. But I got it already boiling, and this is the chicken that I boiled, chicken breasts or chicken thighs. I boiled them so tender, and then I left the broth that's in this pan. I'm going to use some evaporated milk, and I'm going to use some cream of chicken soup. Show you how to make a crustless chicken pot pie the Dr. Atkins diet way. Cook for a little while, the vegetables get kind of tender. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with the evaporated milk that's left over. So we'll give a thickness to this. Just like this. See, get a little thickness to it. Just like that. We're going to continue on letting it cook to continue on getting thicker, because we want our sauce to be kind of thick. And that's about it. We're going to let that cook for a while, and we'll be right back. Okay, you add the evaporated milk to a creamy, just like that. You're going to add it to the mixture. Now I have potatoes in here, and helps it get thick. Potatoes are in here, just a little potato. You can eat just a little, but not too many to go into this crustless Dr. Atkins chicken pot pie. Alright, I add the shredded chicken inside the mixture as it got thick. Then I'm going to add some cream of chicken soup, and we'll be finished with our dish.